how to anticipate potential hazard when driving. All right, so the reason for this lesson, folks, we've been having a lot of students lately taking the road test with the DMV. They having trouble with the they keep failing for anticipate potential hazard, you know. So we're gonna shoot a video here and covering that. All right, so as you're taking your road test, guys, sorry, we've always telling you have to forward planning all your moves. It's for a reason we keep saying that. As you're driving, you have to pay attention to what's going on. You have to pay attention to what's going on around you, your surrounding, right? We have 3 students that came with us and said that they were with a different driving school. And because what we do here at Pierre Driving School, when you sign up with us, if you've done the road test recently and failed, we pull that up and we see your mistake. You know, the one that is those are the strongest. We work on that with you upward because we want to make sure that we cover the thing that making you fail the test and the last time, you know. So what we've been noticing that a lot of students be getting marked for fail to anticipate potential hazard, and basically once that happens, the examiner gonna have to fail you the test because they will have to intervene. You know, they have to hit the brake or take control of the steering. Most likely they'll hit the brake and take control of the steering wheel to give you direction. How to stop those things, folks. We've always saying that, and we have many videos explaining that in this channel as well. But I'm gonna go over it again in a different angle. You need to always have to be looking ahead of you, always forward planning all your moves, okay? Because oftentimes students are driving, they're so tense of the examiner next to them or the instructor, they only pay attention to the little, to maybe in front of the car, right in front of them. They're not looking ahead to see the potential hazard, to see things that may become an hazard, or is a potential for that thing to become an hazard, you know. Once you're not seeing this thing, the examiner have to see that for you, intervene on your lesson. You do not want that, all right? They will fail you for fail to anticipate potential hazard. And when fail to anticipate potential hazard, we don't know what the hazard may be. That's why they call it a hazard. By not seeing it can lead to something bigger, right? Can lead to something bigger. The DMV examiner world, while they're in the car, they want to be safe as well, you know. The same way you're driving, you want to pass your test, okay, but they want to make sure that they're safe while they're in the car with you. If anything were to happen, they felt like it's going to lead to something bigger, they're going to quick intervene and to make sure that they help you to get it together. You know, that's the reality, and it is what it is. This is what it's always been, and this is how it's going to continue to be while you're doing road tests. Because we don't want no accident happen while you're on the road test, all right? So, to go deeper on this, we always tell the student, as you're driving, not only you finish clearing your perimeter, right? You're driving around your surrounding, always look ahead to see what's coming up, to see what can be a danger. It can be what can be not in a good way for you as you're driving that can prevent you to do certain move, even preventing you going straight. Sometimes what I do with the student, as I'm doing the lesson with them, I'm asking them question, what do you see ahead? To see what, oh, okay, I see car double park here, car double, okay. Those are the things that we need to be on the lookout for. You see what I'm saying? You've seen that is a possibility as we going around that car for a door to be open. For a person to push a door, open the door, right? It's a possibility as we're going on that car for a car to take off without looking, right? That's right. All these things are potential hazard, right? We have to be looking ahead and see those things and preparing ourselves in the event what we take come to light, come to reality. We were already planning for that, all right? Here's another one. You finish passing the double park car, you're going back into lane, right? What many students do, they just go right back into lane. That's not good. Why is that? It could be a possibility as you moving over back to your lane, the same as that you were passing, continue to drive. Now, if we're not looking at that, how whose fault is gonna be? It's gonna be your fault. Because you're just passing the car and coming back into lane without checking, make sure that it's clear before coming back over. So I'm going with this. All these things are potential hazard. Right? Potential hazard, just like right here. A car sticking out nose on the left side. What I'll do, I'm covering my brake as I'm going around, and I pay attention to that. These are the things that the examiner are looking for. On my right side here, if you could notice that this guy's reversing. covering my brake, pay attention to that. It's a possibility reversing in the wrong direction and coming to us. That can become a hazard. I'm already seeing what may comes ahead. You guys where I'm going with this? If you guys can relate to that, if you guys can relate to that for potential hazard while you're driving, let me know in the comment below. All right. So, but here in New York City, this is one of the criteria that if you make any mistake on that road test and that matter, they will fail you the test. Right? Because it's a serious matter. Because you never know where that can lead to. For them to avoid that, whenever that you think that may happen, they're gonna hit the brake. They're gonna hit the brake quick and grab the steering wheel if need be, and the test is over from there. We understand that, student doing lesson, you're doing lesson, you're new to driving. Too many moving variable, too many moving pieces that you have to pay attention to. Completely understood. But we also understand too, while you're in the car, we have to make sure that you're safe. How about that? We have to make sure that you're safe as well as the other people around you, so the DMV examiner. Those are the reason why I would tell students, never worry about accelerating, fasting, going or whatnot. No. Make sure you understand the foundation. Make sure you get the basics down. The minute that you understand the foundation, you get the basics down, guess what? The rest is straight application from there. As simple as that. The rest is straight application. Once I know this is how this one get done, the way I'm going to get good at it is by repeatedly keep doing it. Repeatedly keep doing it. Once you're doing that, then it changes everything. See what I'm saying? That's what it is. But if you're not getting the foundation right, you see, right now in front of me, right? Prime example. That's a potential hazard. This guy got his brake light on, okay? So I'm going around him with caution. He got his brake, okay, now he got his brake light on, and kids coming, he shouldn't be on this brake light. That's when he's still on, not his brake light, he's still on reverse. He's still, he got his reverse light on. So I'm saying it's still on reverse. You have to pay attention to those. We're making a left turn here. Left, shoulder left. You have to pay attention to those, because if you're just going all type of fast around that car and you know what test, the examiner gonna stop the brake. Sir, ma'am, student, what are you doing? You know, this guy is on his reverse light on. Okay, and if you're going that fast and you begin to reverse, what are we having here? Trouble. So I'm going with this. These are the things that, as we see, coming on head now, you see the steady line be turning on. That's a hazard. It shouldn't be turning on because we go and we have the right of way. But although that they're doing that, does that mean that we're not supposed to do what we're supposed to do? We will do what we have to do in a safe manner. See what I'm saying? Now, my light is beginning to blink. What am I doing? Going and slow. I'm not gonna rush to get to the light. In no rush. Okay? You have to forward planning all of your moves as you're driving, because especially when you're doing your road test, the DMV examiner will not be letting those things slide. They will do what they have to do. It is your duty, right? It is your duty to make sure that you try your best to be on top of everything they offer you to do, because in the end, we have to do what we have to do. Either we pass, or we fail, or we do what to do. Let me know if you can relate to this. If that ever happened to you, where the examiner have to grab your rail if you've done your road test already, or let me know if you have a road test coming, where would it be? All right, where would it be if you have a road test coming? If you've done your road test already, let me know what was the mistake, if any, because some of you guys probably good passing the first try with no issue. You know what I'm saying? So let me know in the comment below. I just want to share that with you to cover fail to anticipate potential hazard, because a lot of people will be going with this. If you're new here, I'm Ben with Pierre Driving School, and this channel we cover everything driving. You may consider to subscribe, so each time that we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. On this channel, we do everything. We are all in about driving, all right? So until then, keep practicing. This is Ben here with Pierre Driving School. Take care now, folks. Bye-bye.